Welcome back to a Larte Design YouTube channel, and this is another Larte edition video where we show you our custom-made projects done by Larte Design in-house for our customers worldwide. And in this video I will be showing you the project for Mercedes GLE 2025 for our customer from the Netherlands. So let's begin and I'll show you all the upgrade details that we have done for this car. It is time now to look at the appearance changing upgrade of this Mercedes from the front look. Let's have a look together. The first thing that you do see on this Mercedes is the Larte Design special hood. Have a closer look and you will see that this hood is done in two different painting solutions. You see here that the main part is done in 100% carbon fiber, and you can also see very well the beautiful carbon weave. But on the sides we've decided together with the client that we continue the glossy black finish on the sides in order to make this look even more special and individual. Now if you also have a look from the far, you will see that this hood has got really masculine lines, therefore making your AMG look even more sporty and aggressive. Now this hood is also functional. As you can see from the top view, we've got additional air intakes on the inside, and whenever it rains the water does not stay inside. Therefore this hood is not only about the appearance, it's also about functionality. Now let's open this hood and see how it looks like from the inside out. If you have a closer look, you will see that this hood is also made on the inside in 100% carbon fiber. Now pay close attention to all the fasteners, as these are replaced from the original hood from this Mercedes and put on our Larte Design hood in order to ensure safety and functionality for you. Now, one more thing that I would like to mention here, that if you have a look, we've got a special and individual Larte Design badge. This means that this hood is certified according to Germany TÜV standards and therefore guarantees individuality of your one-piece massive hood. Now let's close it and I will show you the upgrade that we've also got on the front. As you see here, we've kept AMG Mercedes logo. Now it's also optional to put our Larte Design logo on the hood. As we continue talking about the front upgrade of this Mercedes, the first thing that you also see is the front radiator grille. Now it's also made from 100% carbon fiber and it perfectly completes the overall look. As you can see further down, you see the front bumper splitter overlay, which is a sporty version one, and therefore making your AMG look a little bit more aggressive. And also, by the way, it visually lowers your car a little bit closer to the ground. Now what I would like to mention, that the upgrade at Larte Design is something that you can build yourself with the help of our sales representative. As you can see on this Mercedes, the client has decided to build this upgrade this way, including this special color combination. And one last thing that I would like to mention is the side exclusive element that we have also upgraded on this GLE, which is the Larte Design carbon fiber mirror cups. Now this element definitely adds a touch of exclusivity and a premium look, and also completes the overall carbon fiber look on this Mercedes. Most importantly that I would like to add is the Larte Design forged wheels that we also offer to our customers, and which are also available in quite a big variety. So this is also something that you can choose and upgrade on your car. Now it's time to talk about the rear. Let's have a look at the top. On the top we've got a sporty spoiler, which is also made in carbon fiber, as you can see. And if you take a look further down, you will see that on this Mercedes we have completely upgraded the rear bumper diffuser. Now if you have a closer look, you will definitely see that we've also added here our special Larte signature touch with added brake lights, and in the middle of course we added our special Larte Design logo to make it even more individual. Now if you have a closer look, you will see that here on this Mercedes GLE, we have put the AMG exhaust tips. Now, these are the original exhaust tips, which definitely make the car look even cooler than the 63 AMG version. Now, as we come to the end of this video, I suggest that we together listen to the sound of this Mercedes GLE 2025, as the sound of this car is also custom made by our customer and therefore it sounds even cooler. Let's hear it together. So how did you guys enjoy the sound of this GLE? Did you also like it? And as this is the end of the video, I would like to thank you for watching it. And if you also want to make your car even cooler than the AMG 63 version and also have your car stay in the trends for a long time, do not hesitate and leave us a request on the website and we will get in touch and guide you through the whole journey of this upgrade for your Mercedes. Thank you for watching it and I'll see you soon.